tuning into my channel. I hope you saw those styles as to how you can style your crochet hair. You don't have to stick with just one style, okay? And I hope I made it very easy for you guys. If you learned anything on this video today, please don't hesitate to let me know. Comment in the comment section what you'd like to know about this hair, and I will do my due diligence to get back to you. Okay, so help me get this video, I don't know, help me get to 2,000 subscribers. Is that too much to ask for? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. But if, I don't know, if I don't get to 50 likes and, you know, 2,000 subscribers, then I guess you guys just don't want to know how I achieve this. And, oh, there are so many other ways that I can do this hair. And I have it all, you know, figured out because I want to keep this in for a little while. So, I mean, if you want to know, like I said, if you care, then hey, please, 50 thumbs up and 2,000 subscribers. Please. Please. Okay? If not, then okay. All right. Okay. Okay, man. Okay. Erica, calm down. 2,000 subscribers. Zoomed in, Erica. Close your face. Don't listen to her. Guys, please, okay? I'd appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please remember, God will never leave you nor forsake you. Stay tuned, and God willing, I will see you in my next video. Bye!